Hello, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing how to use different types of artificial intelligence to create various forms of art, including pictures, and how you can effectively sell these AI services to other people. Art has always been a fundamental part of human expression, and with the advent of AI, we now have even more tools at our disposal to create new and innovative forms of art. In this video, I'll be exploring how you can harness the power of AI to create unique and captivating art pieces that you can sell to others. So, without further ado, let's get started. One of the most exciting developments in the field of art in recent years has been the use of AI to create entirely new forms of artwork. AI can be used to generate images, music, and even entire films. One of the most popular uses of AI in art is to generate images. There are a variety of AI algorithms that can be used to generate images, including neural networks, GANs, generative adversarial networks, and other deep learning models. One of the most popular applications of AI-generated art is in the realm of visual art, such as paintings and drawings. By using AI algorithms to generate images, artists can create entirely new forms of art that are both unique and captivating. AI-generated art can also be used in marketing and advertising, as well as in the film and video game industry. If you're interested in creating and selling AI-generated art, there are a variety of strategies you can use to market your services effectively. One of the most effective ways to sell AI art services is to showcase your work on social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. By sharing your work on these platforms, you can build a following of people who are interested in your art and who may be willing to pay for your services. Another effective way to sell AI art services is to collaborate with other artists and designers. By collaborating with others, you can showcase your work to a wider audience, and you can also learn from other artists and designers who are working in the same field. Collaborations can also help you to gain exposure to new markets and audiences. Finally, you can also sell your AI art services through online marketplaces such as Etsy and eBay. These marketplaces provide a platform for you to showcase your work and sell your services to a global audience. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the field of AI-generated art. In the future, we may see AI algorithms that can generate entire films, or even virtual reality experiences. AI-generated art has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about art, and to create entirely new forms of expression. In conclusion, AI has the potential to transform the way we create and experience art. By using AI algorithms to generate images, music, and other forms of art, we can create entirely new forms of expression that are both unique and captivating. If you're interested in creating and selling AI-generated art, there are a variety of strategies you can use to market your services effectively. So, why not give it a try? Who knows, you might just create the next big thing in AI-generated art. Thank you for watching.